Hi, today I will show you how Sigma 18-50 2.8 do his job in action. But first, I will say my review. I used this lens for about 3 months and I have very nice shots of cars, peoples or even nature. From the start I can say this lens is incredible. With Sony APS-C cameras, I use Sony a6400 with this lens is incredible combo. First of all will be sharpness. What can I say? It is sharp as a knife. In the middle, corners, just everywhere, even at aperture 2.8. Here you can see every details. Okay, now wait. It is light as a prime lens, but zoom. This weight 290 grams. Tamron 70-17 2.8 weight 530. This is 2 times more than Sigma. Build quality. Here I don't have too much to say. It is just good build lens. Nothing screams. I feel it good in the hands. It is splash proof, so you don't have to be worried about start raining. Okay, my quick review has to end, but let's go outdoor and let's see what this lens can do.
Okay, let's see what today will surprise us. Today it isn't the cleanest air in the world, but it is what it is. I think this looks nice. Ooh, this looks clean. Maybe this one. Oh, this sound is amazing. Maybe on the another side. Maybe here. Okay, not bad. Another train. Okay, this looks very nice.